Thank you for your interest in All at Home and our Ultimate Fundraiser. We will be covering in the next 20 minutes these key components. What is the Ultimate Fundraiser? Who is All at Home? The problem with current antivirus software. The solution, Emmunize. Then what's in it for your school or association? How do you contact for questions and next steps of action? The Ultimate Fundraiser is an exciting monthly residual income opportunity for all schools and associations to sell to any customer who has a PC. Antivirus is a piece of software that every individual who has a PC must use. Emmunize, the product of this fundraiser, takes all hassle out of some of the consistent black eyes of fundraising, like collection of money, inventory of products, and accounting nightmares. Our fundraiser is a clean and easy approach done all over the internet with a tailor-made approach for each school and association. All at Home was established in the spring of 2010. Our executive team was assembled with seasoned professionals. From owners to executive members, they all have had highly touted positions in the corporate world from companies like Cisco Systems, Nortel Networks, Coors Miller, and Norton Securities. Some of the team has had the duties of managing some of the largest computer server room facilities in Atlanta, Georgia. We all teamed together with developers in the antivirus industry. The main developer worked as an admin for some of the largest law firms in Atlanta, Georgia. One of his duties every day as a technology person was to keep viruses out of all the law facilities. After trying out 5 to 6 of the mainstream solutions on the market today, he and a team of experts came to a conclusion about these other technologies. It seemed that all these antivirus companies had the same security models and basically had some of the same weak spots in security. Let's take a minute to explain the current state of security. The methodology behind antivirus is this. Antivirus companies look every day for new viruses so they can store the viruses that they do find in their database. Then as a paying customer, they push these updates, which is called a bad list or a blacklist, to your PC. This is an ever-growing list of viruses that are called virus definitions. So as a customer for antivirus, you're paying for updates from that particular database of definitions. The key point here is this. These companies can only protect you from what they know is bad or suspicious behaviors. With so many new viruses coming out in the world today, how can this methodology protect you, the customer? It's easy. They can't, and here's why. These antivirus companies are consistently playing chase to find all these different viruses. Have you ever heard of a zero-day attack? A zero-day attack is a virus that is brand new. Every virus has a birthplace. The fact is this, there are more than 100,000 strands of brand new viruses written each and every day. How can these companies keep up with the new viruses? The clear answer is they can't do it. How many people get hit with a brand new virus before these companies find the virus and update and fix it? Let me ask you this. Have you ever received a virus on your PC when you have had antivirus on your machine? If your answer is yes, like 70% of the world, this explains it. There used to be a time and place for the methodology. But in technology, the world, you have to evolve. These methods from these companies have been around since the 80s. Wouldn't you think it's time to evolve? If there are so many viruses written each and every day, there is no way to protect people's PCs on a consistent basis on these old, outdated platforms. So henceforth, the company that brings you a refreshing, better platform called Emmunize. Emmunize is comprised with a couple of technologies in one. The first is one that we have already addressed, which is finding new viruses every day to store in our database. The second combination is having a good database of applications. Why do we do this? Every virus must execute on your PC at some point to cause damage. Every virus is written to execute, to grab on to your PC to be effective. We have a database of good applications that run on your PC, applications like Adobe, Microsoft Office, and etc. Our database has over 25 million legitimate applications as we speak. This list is growing day by day. By having our additional technology of whitelisting, which is good applications, we're eliminating all unknown viruses. If there is a virus that is brand new that we don't know about, Emmunize will stop it because we don't have it on our good list or a bad list. Our technology allows us to stop unknown things to the PC. With our real-time protection through the cloud, we can instantly let you know what's going on. No more hidden viruses executing on your PC. If you didn't ask for it, Emmunize will let you know when something is trying to install on your machine. Think about this. How do most people get viruses? It's either through opening attachments and emails or through surfing the internet. If you're viewing a web page or an email attachment and Emmunize warns you something is trying to install through the web page or through the attachment, we will let you know it's suspicious. So therefore you have the choice to kill it or accept it. Here's the point. You should always know when something is trying to install on your PC, whether you want it or not. Real world analogy is this. Would you let a stranger walk into your house without knowing anything about that stranger? Here is our true benefits to our product. Real-time protection, which makes your PC run faster because you don't need the update list for more and more bad viruses. Through our whitelisting and blacklisting technology, you'll never have unknown viruses slipping right through to your PC. Don't just take my word for it. Take it from an independent professional. The Malware Research Group is an independent testing organization from the UK. They are known to look at over 200,000 different strands of new viruses written each day. Emmunize with other competitors that you probably either know or use when it comes to antivirus went up against 50,000 viruses that this company had found within a 2 to 14 day period of time. Emmunize beat all the competition with 100% protection. The nearest competitor scored a 99%. That seems to be very competitive, don't you think? When you narrow down and do the numbers to the scoring system of 50,000 viruses, this is what you come up with. Now our nearest competitor score doesn't look as well with 308 viruses passing right through their product. We all know it only takes one virus to cost you dearly. You can take a moment to find how the other competition did. You might even find the product that you currently use on this list. Here's the second testing that we did with Malware Research Group. The first test came out in our favor. The second test really lets you understand why our technology is superior to these other products. We did a test of 0-day viruses. Going back to a couple slides ago, this means viruses that they found that day. Brand new viruses. All products from the previous test were tested on these rules. As you can see, we totally blew the competition away. Emmunize stopped all viruses because of our methodology. Our nearest competitor scored a 23%. Some of the other competitors that you might use and know scored a 0%. They let all brand new viruses pass through. Why is this? Again, they can only stop what they know about. The CEO of Malware Research Group shared that in all his years of testing products, he has never seen a product stop all viruses thrown at it until now. As you can see, we have a superior product, and as a company, we have always been about giving back to the community. We came up with the best of both worlds. We have the ultimate fundraiser for schools and associations. Here's the benefits for you. Our product is a monthly service that has no contract to it. Our service costs the home user $6.99 a month for their PC. We offer back to the school or association a $2 residual income every single month. As long as the parent or user keeps their software on their machine, the school or association will bring in a residual of $2 every single month. This is an appealing fundraiser, but there's even more benefits for you. You as a school or association, you have no inventory, no collection of money, and being able to promote a product that everyone needs and uses, which is antivirus. How can we offer all these great things to you? Let's share with you how. We as a company own a website portal, which means we can supply each school or association with their own replicated website. There is no upkeep for the school or association. We will make all changes for partner. Your website will look exactly like the all-at-home website you have seen today. The difference is domain name, which will be tailor-made to you, the school or association, and we will place your specific logo on the website to let all customers know that they are at the correct website. We will supply you with all marketing materials for you and your school or association. Marketing materials would include flyers for each student or member to disperse, personal letter from teacher to parent, emails, Facebook messages. We will even provide you with reports on progress and sales. We can even help with competitive contest ideas. Let's take a quick look at some potential numbers we can bring to you, the association or school. If a school or association have 1,000 members or students that each sold one license of Emmunize at $2 coming back to the school a month, you are bringing in an additional revenue of $24,000 a year, but you're bringing it in every single year that they use this license. Exciting things can happen for you through our partnership. For more contact information, please contact fundraising@allathome.com for more details. Thank you.